Hello, welcome to my channel. I'll be doing an unboxing today of the Panasonic Lumix G X Vario Power Zoom 14 to 42mm f 3.5 to 5.6 aspherical lens for the Micro Four Thirds camera system. There's the lens. Instructions, warranty information, and packaging material. This lens is packaged well. Okay, this is the Lumix G X series lens. These lenses are built more to a higher specification rather than a price. These are more of the pro grade lenses, not really the consumer. Well, the price usually reflects it. This lens does have optical image stabilization. When the powers onto it, it will extend, and when the power is off, it will retract back in on itself. All the focusing and the telephoto action is all internal, which is good. And it's got two toggles on the side, one for telephoto and one for wide, and another toggle for the manual focusing. There is no manual focus wheel on this or the fly-by-wire system. It's all done with the little toggles. This is really a neat little invention, but when they came out with it. The lens is also nano surface coated through all the lenses to reduce ghosting and flare, which they do a good job on that. And let's get some specifications. But I ordered mine from Japan because I tried to find a black one here in the US and couldn't do it. All I could do is find the silver ones. I wanted a black one, so I had to order it from the Japanese market. But I do have the specifications here anyway in English. The focal length is 14mm to 42mm. The 35mm equivalent would be 28mm to 84mm. In the Micro Four Thirds system, it's got a crop factor of 2, so you multiply everything by 2. The aperture is a 7 diaphragm blades or circular aperture diaphragm. Aperture range is f3.5 wide to 5.6 tele, but as soon as you start moving off of the 14mm, the aperture starts to close down. The minimum aperture value is f22. Lens construction is 9 elements in 8 groups, 4 astropherical lenses and 2 ED lenses. Nano surface coating, yes. Focusing distance 0.2 meters wide to focal. Length 20 millimeters, 0.3 millimeters to 21 to telephoto. Maximum image magnification is 0.17. It does have a built-in image stabilizer, which they do get rid of the micro jitters and shakes out of in this case, your hand ain't too steady, which they do help. It has no on-off switch on the lens itself to turn the image stabilization off. You have to go into the menu, into the record menu to get that, turn that off or on, whatever you want to do. It is a Micro Four Thirds mount. Angle of view is 75 degrees wide to 29 degrees telephoto. Filter diameter is 37 millimeters. The mass of it is the weight of it is 95 grams, which is actually considerably really light for an X lens, but it got some really good sharpness to it all the way across. I will be doing a more detailed video of this lens at a later date after I get put it through its paces. If anybody wants to know anything or see anything specific, just put it down in the comments section. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. And one other thing, you do get a little pouch to put the lens in, a protective pouch that's included. I just saw that in the box. Just letting you know that it is in there. And thank you for watching.